Hi guys everybody, it's Matteo. In this video I'm gonna show you a 24 hours leavening pizza with no fridge. So the first dough is called biga. We have flour, water and just a little amount of yeast. This is fresh yeast. In Italy we use a lot of fresh yeast, but dry active yeast is the same. Senatore Cappelli is one of the flour I'm using in this dough. Is an ancient hard wheat, Italian hard wheat flour. So the flour is 80% white pizza flour, high gluten flour, and 20% hard wheat Senatore Cappelli flour. I'm gonna use 500 grams of flour of water, so 50% of the amount of the flour, and just a little yeast, really just a little, as much as I shown. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Now it's day 1, it's 4 p.m. So this is how it's supposed to look like, very quick and rough dough. Day 2, 11:49 a.m. is more than double sized because it slowly rise room temperature all night long. So to finish the dough I'm going to use the rest of the water, rest of yeast, salt and olive oil. But first of all I need to divide my biga, my first dough, into small pieces. Otherwise, it would have been extremely long time to finish the dough. It's much better to add small pieces one at a time. So 300 grams of water and some more yeast, and then I add one by one the first dough. So this is how it looks like at first, but then it slowly reach this look. Next is salt, so 30 grams of salt, which is about 1 ounce. Extra virgin olive oil, the same amount, 30 grams or 1 ounce. I keep kneading, and after 5-6 minutes the dough is ready. This is how it's supposed to look like. So when it completely firm as a ball. Now I like to give a couple of folds by hand, so the dough can be very strong and resistant and tough. It goes in the pitcher. It's 1:30 p.m. It goes in the pitcher so I can check better how it goes. 1:30 p.m. after like 4 or 5 hours is 6:11 p.m. This is how it looks like. It's more than double size. So this is how to have an amazing 24-hour leavening pizza with no fridge. Everything at room temperature. So now the video should be over right there, but I said okay, I have the dough, so why don't cook it? So here is a quick tutorial about pizza, how to roll out and to cook the pizza. So I cut the amount I need, and then I cheated a little because now I'm folding the dough and keep rolling out. It's actually much better if from this stage you can let it rest a couple of hours longer. So now in this situation, once you fold, it's supposed to rest for a couple of hours. I was a little rushing, so I had to roll it out right away. The result is it's good, it's not bad at all, but my favorite is if you have enough time to let it rest longer. I push with my fingers so I can roll it out. Not too much, because I want my pizza to be a little thick. And this is how it looks like when it's done. After 15-18 minutes cooking, preheated oven. Smell is really amazing and texture is so good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next video. Bye.